In front of me is Motorola Moto G9 Play, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple layout on this Android. Firstly, just go into Play Store and download this free app called Launcher iOS 16 from Launcher Studio Developer. When it's ready, open it. Then hit Get Started. Then click on I agree to terms and conditions and tap on Continue twice. Now tap on while using the app and Allow in all pop-ups. And then pick one of those options. Select Suggested Wallpaper or stick with your current one. When you finish, hit Finish. Now you need to close an ad. Hit Set as Default at the top and tap on iOS Launcher to apply it. As you can see after that, mine was successfully applied. If you wish to manage some of its settings, go back to iOS Launcher app and adjust all of those options however you want to. To go back to your default home app, click on Set as Default again and click on Moto App Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!